There you are, my dear. Fancy a cup of tea and a crumpet.
Ah. I'm so frustrated. All I want to do is send Eric an email and there is no internet connection.
What's wrong, honey?
It seems like Eric has been in Afghanistan for so long and I just want to tell him how much I miss him.
I know exactly how you feel. I experienced the same thing when your grandfather was in the war.
Really?
Oh, come here. Way back when your grandfather and I were going together, I would write him a letter on this typewriter every day when he was away in the military.
Ah, that's so sweet.
Everyone likes the new technology, but they don't seem to work when you need them.
I know, Grandma. The kids and our newfangled gadgets.
You may joke about it, but just like your grandfather, this old typewriter has never disappointed me.